first attack here. Chelsea.
Yeah, lovely footwork by Giroud.
Hear from him.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That sort of angle, that sort of situation.
Barkley. Oh, it just opened up momentarily for him there. He was. Mahrez curls it in. Fernandinho.
Well touched.
Mahrez curls it in.
The way he lets the ball run across his body. And that header from Fernandinho.
De Bruyne on his left foot. Blocked by Walker. Deep across this time, looking for Fernandinho.
Nobody really pressed him.
On his right foot, floats it towards the back post. Raheem Sterling.
And his first touch wasn't
Mendy, who has the legs.
a lovely touch by Pulisic. Flick on by.
Trying to cut it back for Kevin De Bruyne, but in behind here for Chelsea. To the near post it goes, and again gets the right-footed effort away. Here's Barkley on the far side. Willian curls it in. The head of the save by
Minutes or so. That's a brilliant header. It's coming out.
And he's found by Willian. To Wolfsburg. And he curls it. Sick picks up the loose ball, and he could be in. Christian
Left it for each other.
his second goal.
Torna ancora Willian, Abram da 2 passi e poi qui Fernandinho con il petto, poi arriva Abram di rigore e Anderson parte Willian, perfetta la trasformazione.
In 2 games.
Was Mendy close to him. Takes the ball past him.
Robbo's enjoying himself.
A few intruders, yeah, we have a few intruders. Yeah, obviously.
What answer the question?
I can't even remember the question to be fair, but yeah.
Go on, Jen.
Yeah, we do think that we probably do it in terms of ourselves.
I'm trying to be serious here.
Nah, we probably thought as a team we'd be able to do it ourselves, but we don't really care how we done it at the end of the day. We're Premier League champions and we're proud of that.
Andare in vantaggio dal dischetto Willian.
Chelsea.